Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making sure your TV and source device share the same Wi-Fi and that your TV supports a browser, Android apps, or Chromecast. Sign into Google on the TV browser or open the Drive app on your phone. This matters because the TV can't access Drive without authentication. Once signed in, you can either open Drive, Google, Com on the TV, or prepare to cast from Chrome or the Drive mobile app. Now make sure folders are organized. That speeds navigation later. Next, you'll pick a delivery method. Use the TV's browser to sign into Drive and stream files directly or cast from Chrome or the Drive app on your phone. Casting uses your device as the controller. When using the browser, navigate folders and open files. The TV's media player will handle common formats. If casting, select the cast icon and choose your TV. Playback is handled by the TV while your phone remains a remote. Make sure large video files have enough bandwidth to avoid buffering. To finish, control playback from your phone or keyboard if using the TV browser. That gives fast seeking and playlist control. If you need reliable playback, download the file to a USB drive or the TV's storage and open it with the TV's media app. If something goes wrong, the most effective troubleshooting step is to check network connection and app updates, then sign out and sign back into Google. This clears stale tokens and often restores access immediately, so try that first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.